before I start the vlog, I wanted to give you guys a couple of must-dos for road trips with kids. Make sure they're wearing shoes that they can easily take on and off, so they wear their Crocs. And then I have a bag for just shoes, and then a bag for each of them with pajamas, all the necessities that they need, anything they need. And then that way I can have it all separated and I don't have, especially if they're going with grandparents or someone else, they don't have to like look through a big suitcase of stuff, and then they were taking coats, so they were taking those separate. And then also they like to take their own stuff, right? Sometimes they like to overpack, take a whole other bag with just a bunch of toys, and then they don't even end up playing with it, right? Like Mavis right here, she's overpacking. But our solution for that is I tell them that they can take anything that they can carry. So if they can carry it themselves, then that's fine. So she quickly realized that this was way too much stuff, and she ended up just taking two little babies. And then obviously I take a bag with like games. We're going to the cabin up in the mountains, so I took games for us to play and puzzles and things like that. So that was in a whole separate other bag. But yeah, whatever they can carry, they can take. And then the last thing would be Netflix. So obviously in the mountains or when you're traveling, sometimes there's no Wi-Fi or there's no connection. The connection's bad. So we go on Netflix, and I don't know if you can do this on the other streaming services, but on Netflix you can go to each video or movie or show and you can download them and they can watch them in the car without any Wi-Fi. And yeah, this is a game changer. Also, they do expire, so make sure you do it like right before you guys leave the house. So the kids just left with my parents. I'm home by myself. I've never had like a day where I'm by myself where Rams is at work and the kids are not here and I don't have any plans. Usually if that happens, it's because I have plans, I have something to do. But yeah, today is just gonna be a solo dolo day, and I'm kind of excited for it. Being a homeschool parent, where kids are here all the time, except for like little spurts here and there. It's a lot of emotionally. Like we're people too. We need our space, but yeah, that time will come. But I'll take these little snippets, as they come. So the plan right now is I'm gonna clean, of course, because I'm a psycho. I'm gonna clean. The house is pretty clean, but I'm going to clean it a little bit more so that way I can get the floors cleaned and the counters cleaned and vacuum, like do the floor and then the bathrooms. So we're gonna do as much as we can. I'll film here and there just to kind of show you guys the progress and stuff. After we clean, I'm gonna take out the Christmas decorations. We'll probably break in there for a chat or some lunch or something. I also have to go take my sister's dog out because the kids are with my parents. My parents are not home, so they usually care for her dog. So yeah, I'm gonna go let him out. Maybe I'll get a coffee or something or lunch at that time. So yeah, I'm just kind of, I know, why am I planning out my day? Why? I don't have anything to do today. I shouldn't feel stressed. I'm just a planner. Now I'm rambling. But anyway, we're gonna clean first. Yeah, also Ramses doesn't get home until about like 6 or 7, maybe a little bit earlier. He might get off early, he said. So, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we might just chill. Maybe we'll film a video, get dinner or something. I don't know. Like I said, I don't have any plans. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's so weird. It's such a weird thing because it's like I feel happy, like I feel good, like to be by myself and to have no plans and stuff. But then also you feel like guilty because you feel happy. So it's like, it's really fucked up being a parent, Okay, see you guys soon. Before, ta-da! I wish it was that easy. So I'm putting him to work. Everything is off the floor. I blocked the schoolroom, and it's gonna vacuum everywhere else. So I cleaned everything. I cleaned everything. Now I just need to sweep him up. I moved everything to sweep him up. I turned the vacuum on just because I got a little tired, and also because I want to clean my room. That's all you're gonna see, and my bathroom. So I'm gonna clean my room, clean my bathroom. Hopefully by then the vacuum should be done. And then I think I'm gonna go get lunch, then go to my mom's and eat lunch there while the pupper's outside. And then when I come back, I'll mop, and then I'll get ready. I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure I'll let you know. Okay, update. The vacuum's done, vacuuming, and I cleaned the toilet, the shower, but not the sinks and stuff. And I cleaned up my room before I cleaned the bathroom. So now I'm eating. I just made myself some chimis. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go let the dog out. And then I'll come back and mop, and then get ready. Thank you. Looks good. Looks right. Oh, go ahead, girl. Oh, and there's so much traffic. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, and we're off. Okay, so I'm home. I mopped, but everything's still like all over the place. Yeah, and I'm gonna get ready. It's already 4:30, like the day's already gone. It's freaking gone. But yeah, I didn't get to do the holiday stuff. Maybe we'll do it tonight. Why not? You know, we don't have to do a bedtime routine. We don't have to bathe any kids or make dinner, really. Just so maybe we'll do it tonight. But I've just been sitting here. I was writing down some game ideas for Christmas, and I was on the phone with my sister-in-law for like an hour while I was mopping, and then even after, and then I FaceTimed the kids and talked to them for a little bit. So yeah, now I'm gonna just get ready. So and Tony and Juliana are gonna come over tonight. It just like worked out because Juliana texted me that they were gonna be in town and if we wanted to just hang out or whatever, and I told her, I was like, yeah, we're free. So yay. So Ramses doesn't know, but I've been vlogging all day. Can you turn the light on for me? Oh, okay. Turn it down. I'm gonna get flagged on YouTube.
Oh, my bad.
We're going to dinner. We're gonna go to El Taco Giro for some Mexican food because that's all we like to eat.
Pretty much.
I got ready, obviously. Everything is still in the playroom. I mean, in the schoolroom and in our room. We didn't like put anything back, so we'll probably do that later or tomorrow morning. But
Dead too.
and it's dead, so yay. But yeah, we're about to eat right now. I'm excited. The vacuum works really hard today. Oh, and I cleaned the vacuum vent thing and like the little attachments that get dusty and stuff. I cleaned them off. So, go home. He gets all quiet. He's like, all right, let me think. Let me think. Where am I supposed to go? What? Can you help me put these things down?
You lost, bub? Oh, guess what, too? I saw that officer that told me bub, and I was like, what's up, bub? And I hadn't seen him in a while because he only works every other week that I see. So, I was like, hey, where'd you get that from? And then he's like, oh, I got it from Sergeant Walter. I was like, oh, I thought you made it up. I was like, because I told my wife about it, and it's really cool. And then she.
The little rascals.
Oh.
That alfalfa. You're so embarrassing. You're so Mexican sometimes.
So he was like.
La película. ¿Cómo se llama? Alfalfa. It's like, no, Mom. It's called the Little Rascals. Oh my God. Anyways, okay.
Yeah,
And what did
so
he say?
He was dying. He's like, oh, really? That's where you guys from? I was like, yeah, check it out. I was like, I didn't know either. And I told my wife, it was alfalfa.
That's so funny. Okay, now let's get the benches. Where did they go?
Damn, crawl back home.
I know. It's like he gets all sad that he has to go home or something. Well, let's go. Let's go somewhere.
To China? Let's go. You
No,
really
I'm
trying to go?
not trying to go to China.
Not to China,
bro.
but maybe.
That's scary. That's too far.
Where would you
You
want to
looked
go?
at me real serious.
So where would you go? Like realistically, I think Mexico is a realistic candidate.
Yeah.
I feel like we both could do very well there, in all aspects. We could see all the culture in Mexico, get to know our culture, because I feel like we don't really know too much about it. A lot of family that we have,
Yeah.
and then also like the culture with the people. The girls could learn fluent Spanish. It'd be cheaper. Depending where we live, it'd just be a little dangerous, but it's also dangerous here. So,
Yeah.
yeah. We could also go to England.
England?
Yeah.
No. I don't want to live in the UK. That's another continent.
Oh shit.
Babe!
Oh shit.
What?
It came apart.
Well, yeah, it comes apart. Bruh, come on. I said I'll do it. It's too late for this little guy. You gotta cut it off. There you go. Here.
I'm sorry. What happened?
Hey, it looks like this one's gonna have 3. I've never had 3 on it before. Only 2. It's freaking 1:30 in the morning. Hey, that was my light. I'm just kidding. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I can use a Christmas tree. We're going to sleep now, finally. Tony and Juliana came over.
Yeah, they just left. We had a good time. We had a long talk.
Long talks.
But we're here for it. So thanks
Yeah.
for joining us. Thanks for staying up with us. I know I just came in on this, but I've been here the whole time, I promise.